Hi guys, my name is Rafael Valentin Ribeiro and my student number is 2025-129. And here I'm gonna go through the Java programming part of my integrated project with database. Here the goal was to write a menu which will execute the queries routed in MySQL and bring the user clean and answers that they were looking for, which is in the database. I used Java for it. And the way that I worked here, I created the main code and I wrote two different classes to call every code that I need to use in every option selected by the user. And here on my main, I have the menu and I have validation steps into it. And I have the switch code block that I wrote that is gonna call every method here wrote in queries. To show you that my code is working, I'm just gonna execute here. The first one that I find more interesting, it's the total rent for a specific client. But to show you here that a validation was applied successfully, I'm just gonna type anything in text and I'm gonna bring here the user. Oh, I need you to put in a valid input, something between 1 to 8. So okay, I can't just type whatever. I need to type something that the program is asking me to. So I want total rent by a specific client, that's 4, and enter the client by name or part of it. Here use something on the SQL queries, it's like and percentage to bring me anything that it's like the same starting. So if I just type beyond, it's gonna show me, if there is something on the database, it's gonna show me the full name of the person, the client ID, and the total rented by Beyonce. And here, the second one that I find more interesting is the rentals within a range, which is the third option. And here's gonna ask me to input the date in the certain format, which is this one. So 2023, I want to start in March. So I'm gonna put like this. And the end date is gonna be 2023. I'm gonna put June 30. So it's gonna bring me anything that it was rented, any apartment that it was rented or house that was rented in between this period of time. So if I press enter, it's gonna bring me the results of this two here. Based on this parameter, is gonna bring me everything that it was rented due to the set term of time. So for example, if it starts in January, but it passes through this range of months, it's gonna show me here. And to exit the program, the only option is pressing 8. To show you how this works, I'm just gonna show you here on my queries method, where I have the total rents for client. So the way that I worked with, I have some validations in the method in the queries method as well. But the way that I worked, I brought the SQL query here to input, and I used the prepared statements to launch on the first interrogation here. I only have one, but it's gonna show on the first interrogation here the name typed by the user. So it's gonna insert the name typed and the percentage to show something that starts with the name. Here bring the results, and here is gonna bring there is a loop here that is gonna print if there is any result, or if there is not any result, it's gonna just print the if not, no client found to the client. That's my project. Thank you very much.